6 Healthcare Trends to Follow. Healthcare is one of the most important industries in the world. Its development is being monitored with the aid of tens of millions of people globally. In the end, the success of the latest technology could make a large difference in the lifestyles and fitness of humanity. As we welcome the new year, it's interesting to research which healthcare era traits are watching for us. Numerous industries related to healthcare are carefully looking at the tendencies on the way to regulate their advertising and marketing strategies. Today in this article, Yostus Hanna will tell you and talk about healthcare trends in 2021 and everything you need to know. 1. Telemedicine. Despite the fact that telemedicine is already running, many of us are still cautious of its use. Meanwhile, it's becoming a big trend, which can flip the sector of healthcare the other way up. In the United States, greater than half of all their hospitals have already got telemedicine applications. The software program engineers are developing unique telemedicine apps to allow far-flung doctors' consultations, brief entry to affected persons' records, decreased reaction time and simplified prognosis. In 2021, telemedicine is sure to reduce ready time in emergency rooms, decrease the charges of emergency services, and help humans in rural regions get admission to certified medical assistance. Video chat structures are making telehealth offerings higher and quicker. They provide actual existence patient tracking without admitting them to a sanatorium. 2. Wearable gadgets. Wearables are improving the performance of affected persons by means of giving the medical doctor real-time access to such parameters as heart charge, blood pressure, blood sugar degrees, and more. This enables reducing the time a patient spends in the health center and lets medical doctors make a quicker diagnosis. In 2021, wearables are sure to turn out to be a vital part of treatment for several patients all over the globe. By connecting wearables to telemedicine apps, the system of creating a prognosis becomes optimized. 3. Cloud implementation. Cloud offerings are conquering the arena, and the healthcare industry is not an exception. The public and the private cloud-based platform allow doctors and patients to proportion data, which includes massive files. Clouds make the mammoth work of report keeping significantly less challenging. Humans get quicker and easier access to facts, which makes the consultation manner handy and much less time-consuming. They can guide video and audio meetings for telemedicine desires. One of the biggest issues is related to the security of patients' personal information. In 2021, SaaS companies are planning to invest ambitious amounts of money into growing tighter safety options. 4. CAD/CAM in plastic surgical procedure. CAD/CAM technologies are revolutionizing positive and plastic surgical operations. They permit surgeons to remedy complex problems related to craniofacial reconstruction. Virtual surgery, 3D printing, and situational analysis have made many new matters feasible. Today, surgeons can use the facts obtained from a CT test to create a 3D digital image, which could help with digital surgical making plans. The 3D models permit the healthcare professional to observe all defects from every angle without inflicting any soreness to the affected person. In 2021, you're not likely to look at beauty surgical operation advertising and marketing campaigns that don't describe the use of the latest CAD/CAM technology. As 3D photograph imaging and CAD/CAM processes improve, they emerge as preferred for cosmetic and reconstructive surgical procedures. 5. Artificial intelligence. Synthetic intelligence has been reforming the healthcare industry in various methods. According to healthcare CO experts at MiroMind, AI is actively being used for promotional purposes, making healthcare services extra accessible to the average patient. In the meantime, AI apps can speed up the diagnosis system even by improving its accuracy. By performing the proper evaluation and getting rid of the human errors, AI and system mastering are assisting healthcare workers to come up with new procedures for early remedy and take a look at the brand new medicinal drug. As an example, in 2018, FDA accredited a diagnostic device, which uses AI for diagnosing eye ailments by examining retina images. The system came up with a correct diagnosis of diabetic retinopathy in 87% of cases. 6. Predictive Analytics. At the same time as predictive analytics had been used for business optimization for quite a while, they may be edging their manner into the healthcare realm. Patients with continual ailment generate a tremendous amount of information, which desires the right evaluation to give you insights. Predictive analytics applications allow this analysis to be carried out in a count of hours. This facilitates doctors to provide you with the right treatments, find out new procedures, and enhance the sufferer's quality of existence. The pandemic has affected the world, and we all know how it has been a major factor in enlightening the importance of health and hygiene among people. Many new trends and changes in the healthcare industry have taken place. Technology has become a major part of our lives. Not only is it helping us in the process of development, but also allows major growth in healthcare, thus saving as many lives as possible. People are getting more and more educated on how they can use the technology in their favor. In fact, it has become an indispensable and comparable part of healthcare.